Hi guys, today I'm super excited to tell you great news. We are offering 10 and 12 years labor warranty for all HVAC equipment we install. So if you install Carrier or Bryant or Goodman equipment with us, we offer up to 10 years warranty. But if you install Daikin or Mitsubishi system, we offer up to 12 years warranty for labor and parts. Fuse Service is deeply convinced our quality is so high, so now we can offer this incredible warranty for you. This warranty is included with every installation of HVAC system we do, so you don't need to be worried or concerned if it's 3 or 2 or 1 year. With all installation you do with Fuse Service, it's gonna be 10 or 12 years. So what it means for you, you have a system which is gonna work for 10 or 12 years and it's gonna be hassle-free, no worries about what happens to the system, we will fix it. There is no such a great offer on the market, and it means Fuse, that's the best choice for you. Follow the link below and you will find all the terms and conditions. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you in the next one.